video. It's your girl Alicia, and today we have the closet tour because we've hit 100 subscribers. Thank you to all my wonderful subscribers, and if you're new to the channel, go ahead and click subscribe and join the family. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see the closet behind me because I know you want to see it. So let's get into it. Welcome to the beauty room, guys. Let's go inside and see what's going on. When you first walk in, you can see my amazing calendar. This is how I plan all my videos and plan out all my videos I'm going to do for you guys. And as you can see, we hit 100, so I'm excited. So here's the closet tour for you. I've got a couple shoes here that I keep at the entrance, you know, so when I come in, I can take my shoes off and get cozy. We're going to first talk about the island here. This is my amazing island, which I love. It's right in the middle of the closet. It holds all my lingerie and beauty and naughty bits and things that you guys don't need to see that are for my husband only. But you can see at the top, which I keep all of my nice like perfumes. This is Miracle and this is Prada. Shout out to the bestie Stephanie who told me about that one. And I just keep all of those right there so that I can get real fresh real quick. So, you know, this one's Prada. So good, okay? So I keep those there. And then I have my little bodice here, which I keep on my neck, like some of my necklaces that I like the turquoise ones really make that pink in the room pop, so I keep those right in the center. And then I got a Victoria's Secret bombshell candle that I just keep right here, and it smells amazing, and it also matches my lotion, so I like that little scent. So that's all I have right there. And then when I first designed this closet, my husband and I designed it. My husband did all the floors, I designed everything, the layout, what you see. So when I first designed it, I wanted you to be able to walk in and go right to the vanity because this is where I do all my makeup and everything. So I set this up to lay out like that. This desk was actually one of the pieces that was already in the house. All I did was paint it white and added some crystal knobs to it. And bada bing, bada boom, you got a vanity. Very cheap, very simple, budget friendly. Keep it smart, save that money, honey. And then this right here is a vintage mirror that I got at an estate sale for like $10. And I just painted it white and I popped it right here. A lot of these milk glass things you can see were estate sale, yard sale finds. And I just keep all my makeup stuff in there. And I got my face creams and all my stuff, all my lipsticks and my brushes. I keep them right there. I got a already done little plate here that tells me to hustle, reminds me to hustle and stay busy getting these videos out for you guys. So I keep that there, and a couple makeup lipsticks and my favorite butterfly earrings. I keep them right there. You've probably seen them in a couple of videos. So this is the vanity. And then I keep all my makeup inside this drawer right here. So it's very easy to get ready. And then I've got a nice little stool that slides right under there. Keeps it looking nice and clean and neat and clean. And then this is where I keep all my dresses right here. So you can see those. And then in this one I keep some of my beauty stuff at the bottom, but I keep like a lot of my sweaters and my skirts and things like that. And moving over this way, we have like my everyday beauty essentials right here. So I keep them there, and then I also have my makeup case where I keep a lot of my makeup, like a little caboodle. I've had it since college, so she's my ride or die, so I keep her right there on display. And right next to the window, I have a nice little leather little bench that I like to sit on. This was an amazing find from the Goodwill for $6. Cleaned her up, put a little more, some brackets on the bottom. Someone had popped all the brackets off. I just popped them back in, and she looks amazing, and you'd never know she cost $6. And I keep a couple pillows here, so that's where I like to sit and do my editing now. It's my editing spot. This is my little makeup mannequin girl. She only cost me $10 at a yard sale. Guys, I'm telling you, you gotta keep it cheap, you know? Save that money where you can. So she looks amazing right here. You never know she cost $10. And all my sweaters, I keep them right here. And here I keep a couple shoes. We're not gonna show you those. And then here is my amazing purse closet that I'm sure you've seen behind me in all my videos. This is what inspired you guys wanting to see the whole closet, because you're like, well, what? I see that looks good behind you, but what does the closet look like? So this is what inspired it all. This is where I usually sit to I do my videos, and you can see all my purses behind me. We're not going to get into all the purses, but if you give me a thumbs up for this video, I might go ahead and do a purse closet tour for you if you're interested in that, which I'm sure you probably are. If you like this video, then I'm sure you'll like that one. So give me a thumbs up, and that'll be a future video coming out. So over here I have all my shoes right next to my purses, because you pick your purse and you pick your shoes and you pick your purse, they gotta match. So I keep them right next to each other. You can see all these bins up here, all these pink bins like hold either off-season stuff like winter stuff and that kind of thing, or winter shoes. I kind of hide them and tuck them up there where it looks nice and neat and really pretty. This is one of my favorite dolls from when I was a kid that my mom got for me and she was super expensive. I got her first science project. This is supposed to be over here on display. And then over here I have a vintage trunk that was also another item that was in the house when we bought the house, and I saved it and I painted it white. I keep a lot of my vintage clothes in here that I like. I just keep them stored in there. This is my pregnant belly. I have 2 little boys, so this is my pregnant belly cast. It reminds me what an amazing woman I am and what amazing women we are, that we can do all these amazing things. So I keep it here just as a reminder of my beautiful babies. And lastly, you know I have a husband, so he has to get a wall too. So this is mainly my husband's side. Of course, you see these are mine too, because I mean, I got so many clothes I need to take over. But this is gonna be my husband's wall eventually. My husband has his clothes here, he has his clothes there, and eventually this will be his also. So you gotta share with the men, honey. You can't take over the whole room. So this is the beauty room. And so lastly, I'll show you this right here. This is my dresser, actually from when I was a kid. I actually had it brought over to this house also, so this is very nostalgic also, because I had this in my room when I was in high school, and she's still holding up and she's still holding my clothes, so I'm glad I have her in my new closet now. So once again, hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found your inner glow through watching this video. Thank you for watching my closet tour, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below and put your notifications on for future videos. And I'll see you in the future. Bye!